There are different type of keying effects that you can apply inside of HitFilm. So for example, I can go around and bring in, let's say for example, this particular layer right here. And here you can see that this is a layer of a logo, and then you can see that there's white all around this particular logo right here. So let's say what I want to do is, if I want to remove out the white or the blacks right here and make it transparent, then I can utilize something called the Luminance key. So I'm going to go around and then go around under effects right here, and then I'm going to go around under keying. So over here under effects, I'm going to go around under keying, and over here you can see that Luminance key is an option. So I'm just going to go around and click and drag this out right here. So once I do that, I'm going to go around over here under effects, not under effects but under control, and you can see that right now key out darker is an option right here. So what is happening is that if I were to keep this layer right here, you can see that the dark parts has been keyed out right here and it has been transparent. But I can go around over here onto, let's say for example, under the controls right here. And then what I can also do is I can go around and key out the brighter part so that the white part becomes transparent right here. And you can work around with the tolerance right here, increase and decrease the tolerance to see the overall result. You can also see the matte on how it has been turned transparent right here. You can also go around and turn brightness use as lightness right here, and increase and decrease the tolerance, and also the intensity right here, so that the lightness is changed out in different ways. So you can key out darker or key out brighter right here, just like this, and change around the threshold right here, just like this, and the tolerance right here, just like this, as you can see. And then that is how it will actually go around and key out the brighter and the darker parts right here, just like this, and that will be the end result, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and utilize the Luminance key right here. You can also go around onto, let's say, Hue and RGB. Let me just go around and remove this right here, and let's just go around. Let me just bring this back in again, and then over here let's just go around and resize this. So let's just go around and scale this down right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto effects and bring in the Hue and RGB right here. So let's just go around and keep that in right here. Once I do that, you can see that it actually removes a lot of it right here. That is because the color that we selected is red. I can go around and select out a color right here, or I can go around, take the color picker, and then drag it out right here to select a particular color that I want to remove right here. Like let's say for example, I want to remove out white right here, just like this. Then you can see that it becomes transparent. So you can go around and increase and decrease the tolerance level right here, and then work around with the edge softness over here as well, and match the color by hue as well. You can view the matte and the invert right here. You can invert it out as well, as you can see. But more than with this, it actually works better with the green screen itself. So I'm just going to go around and bring in this particular green screen footage right here. And then what I'm going to do is, let's just go around and scroll, scale this down. So I'm just going to go around and scale this down right here. And now I'm going to go around under effects and bring in Hue and RGB key right here on this particular footage. So let's just go around and bring that in. So this is what you have, Hue and RGB. So this is what you have. And now I'm going to go around and take the sampler, click and drag it, and choose the green right here. And this is what you have. As you can see, the green screen has been removed over here. So I can go around, increase and decrease the tolerance level right here, as you can see right here, and find that sweet spot. You don't want to make the girl or the object transparent right here. So I'm just going to view the matte and then change around the tolerance right here, just like this, so that it's not very good, not very harsh. So I'm just going to go around and utilize the edge softness right here, just like this. So let's just go around and decrease out the tolerance right here and work around with the softness right here, just like this, to get that particular sweet spot right here, just like this. So that is what you have. So you can match the color by hue, as you can see right here, and that is what you have. So Now, if you want to remove out these spills right here, just like this, then you can simply go around over here onto the matte effects and then go around onto spill remover right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and then drag this out onto the spill remover, and you can see that you can choose around the greens right here, just like this. So you chose green and the spill has been removed over here, just like this. And that is how you can make everything transparent, just like this. That is another way on how you can key out footages as well. So that is how you can utilize Luminance key and Hue and RGB key as well. And those are some other ways on how you can key out footages in inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe